Next command is rectangular pattern. Run it and in geometry icon, select this rectangle, and in direction 1. You must select a straight line or edge. First, select this edge as direction 1, and change its spacing. OK. Try to do it and complete the job and then select this other edge as direction 2, define the spacing too. OK. Do it and complete the rectangular pattern and check it out in graphic window. Now test it with this other lines. Change the direction 1 and direction 2 and do it again. OK. Next command is circular pattern. Run it and then select rectangle as geometry, and in axis, select this point. Now change the count and angle more and more and check it out its operation. OK, it's so good. And the next command is mirror, but first we want to change this lines to construction mode. Select the line. And then, construction command is here, find it and run the command, and change both of them. OK. Now run the mirror command, and in select icon, choose this element, and in mirror line, this icon. Select these two lines as mirror line and test them respectively. OK.